Alright.
Today we're installing the Boomba blow-off valve on the Elantra N, guys. Make sure you guys tune in, press those buttons, and get ready to screw some stuff in the car. So, as you guys know, you guys haven't even seen the car yet. This is me talking right here. This is me. As you guys know, you guys haven't even seen the car yet, but we're installing the blow-off valve today. You Guys, the package is in! We're going to the gym, though. We're going to the gym, and then we're going to knock it out right after. There's Dad Bear right there. Yeah, we're getting down and dirty. Okay, hold on. We got the Takeda intake here, guys. The box and the filter. So now...
This is the new one.
Here's the new one here. Boomba Racing.
Oh, whose key is that? Oh, that's mine. That's for a later video. Don't worry about that.
So now we got to get to... No way it's that, right? Where is this? If you look here, we're supposed to block this thing off right there in the intake. So, and the plug that they gave is for the factory intake, and that's not factory intake. So therefore, we just went to Walmart and picked up these chair leg like sliders. They're like silicone. We got two different sizes. We're gonna see which one works here. Hopefully. We'll see if we can stretch this one over. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, it's not very stretchy.
That's good though.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yo. Is that gonna work? Threw it on there, threw a zip tie on there. Start unplugging the blow-off valve, the stock one, which is down there, and I believe I'm gonna need the 10mm.
Carman, huh?
Got the stock one out. We're getting the vacuum hose, I think it's called, on the new Boomba one. My back is getting destroyed. I don't know if we updated you guys, but we unplugged this hose here. And as you can see, that pink stuff, yeah, there's a lot of it down in there. Cool. We spilt a lot of the coolant.
I wouldn't even say, it's probably not a lot.
I believe that's fine though. We'll see when I start the car if it explodes or not. Bolting in the new one. We hand screwed the screws in. Almost dropped one.
Didn't drop one though. Kate did drop the wrench down there though.
Yeah, I did drop the ratchet earlier. He grabbed it though. He's getting in there. You really got to get in there for this. There's not much room if you have an automatic. I'm pretty sure I heard there's more room if you're manual.
Speaking of manual, I did just get a Veloster N manual today.
We did just sit at a dealership for 6 hours, and he did cop a Veloster N today.
So it was worth it.
That is facts. Manual. We'll update you when we get these screws on. We got to put the intake back in, and then I hope that's it. I'm going to watch a video to make... Oh. Alright guys. Getting the final cranks on getting the intake back in. And then, I believe if we did it right, we should be done. I'm not gonna lie. If we are done, and the car works still and doesn't blow up, then I'll get some sound clips. Actually, that might happen tomorrow, but in the video after this, there will be sound clips, whether that's right now or tomorrow. But we're getting the final clicks in, and then that should be it. Should be good to go. It's been 2 hours.
We started at
3 hours.
We started at 9.
3 hours plus an hour Walmart trip.
That was worth it because it made us complete it.
Yeah, again, I'm using a literal silicone that you put on the bottom of a chair leg that I got from Walmart, zip tied on there to block this, because the one that it came with, again, wherever that went, didn't fit my aftermarket intake. So yeah, that's awesome. DIY, hopefully it works. People on Reddit said it does. I'll let you guys know. I'll tell you when to do this now. Man, let's go.
We did it.
Only 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, let's close this mug.
Don't you want to hear it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna rev it right here.
Like down the street to the...
Here's some sound clips. You should be able to hear that probably. Here's another one. I'll get one more from the inside for you guys right here. Oh yeah. Bonus clips of turbo flutter, guys, coming in soon. Yeah, for the flutter, yeah, normal mode.
Flutter's pretty good.
You ain't got no children. No mom look like a sister. Swim veneer on 2018. The dentist been put the wisdom. Thanks to me, that ass been